Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Netflix application in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first, you are going to type here in search, and then you are going to type store, then you open the application, and here you will find the search bar. You are going to type Netflix, then you will find here many applications. You are going to install here the official one, Netflix, and the free one. You just click here, and then for me it is already downloaded, but instead of this open button you are going to see install. You just click there and the download will start, and once it finish you can just open it, log into your account, and you can watch anything that you want in your laptop. And after it finish, if you didn't find here the Netflix logo in your desktop, you just can click here in the search bar, you just type Netflix, and then as you can see here, you can pin it to the taskbar and it will be here next to those applications, or you can just create a shortcut and it will be here in your desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.